Maybe you didn't plan to see this, but this video still found you. So stay, because you need to hear this more than you realize. You're tired, aren't you? Tired of fixing everything yourself. Tired of holding it together. Tired of depending on people only to be disappointed again. Just stop for a second. You were never meant to carry it alone, and if you stay until the end of this video, you'll understand why. Because maybe the real exhaustion isn't just from what you're facing. Maybe it's from where you've been searching for relief. We keep turning to people, don't we? Hoping someone will finally understand. Hoping a message will heal us. Hoping a job will secure us. Hoping a relationship will save us. Hoping something in this world will finally make us feel safe. But people are limited. They love imperfectly. They leave. They change. They fail us without even meaning to. And deep down, your heart was never created to depend on the creation. It was created to depend on the Creator. Allah reminds us in the Quran, and He is with you wherever you are. So ask yourself, what is it that you need right now? Provision? Health? A spouse? Just rest? Don't chase it through doors that were never meant to hold your hope. Turn to Allah, who holds every door. Maybe you've been trying so hard to control the outcome, trying to plan every step, trying to predict what will happen, trying to prevent disappointment before it comes. But listen, the true controller is Allah, and Allah is Al-Wakeel, the best disposer of all affairs. Allah tells us clearly, and whoever puts their trust in Allah, then He is sufficient for them. Sufficient in ways you cannot even imagine yet. And I know, your mind asks, what if I fail? What if it doesn't work out? What if I'm too late? But remember something deeply comforting. The same Allah who sustained you when you were in your mother's womb, before you had strength, before you had plans, before you could do anything for yourself, is the same Lord managing your future right now. So why are you carrying tomorrow like it depends only on you? Breathe. Your risk is not running away from you. Your destiny cannot miss you. And what is written for you will reach you by Allah's permission. And look, Ramadan is coming. A month of return. A month where hearts soften. A month where the smallest step back to Allah is multiplied. So take this moment as a beginning. Make your dua again. Speak to Allah again. Rely on Him again. This moment is not the end of the story. This could be the beginning of your return. Before you scroll again, comment, Ya Allah, don't let me leave Ramadan the same. Hold on. The one who is sufficient for you is still with you.